Good morning and welcome back to La Petite Kitchen. My name is Susie and I hope you're enjoying our little videos. If you are, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to check out our links where you will find links to some of the cute kitchen gadgets that we use here in the video. Today we're going to make poached eggs, healthy, nutritious, and simple eggs. We're going to use these little silicone egg poaching cups that I found. They make it very easy. I'm going to make two today, one for myself and one for my spouse. We're going to start with a little drop of oil. There we go. I like to use avocado oil. We're going to brush it around the cups to coat them so that your eggs don't stick. Okay, just like that. Not a lot of oil, just a touch. You could also use butter if you want. It's more flavorful, but I like avocado oil. We're going to break our eggs into our cups. Like that. And we're going to season them with some salt and pepper. Again, I like fresh ground pepper. And just a touch of salt for seasoning, not too much for health reasons. All right, and then you're just going to float your little cups in boiling water and let them cook, cover them and let them cook for 8 to 10 minutes, depending upon how well you like your yolk set up. 8 minutes, and our water has boiled and our eggs are set up and ready for their toast. Okay, so our eggs are cooked to the doneness that we like. And as you can see, our little silicone cups stay cool enough to just lift out of the water, the boiling water. And we have a couple of pieces of lightly buttered whole grain toast. So just to show you how easy it is to get our eggs out, you just take a spoon and scoop it out. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So simple when you're in a hurry trying to get to work. And as you can see, our centers are pretty well done. And enjoy the breakfast.